In this video, we'll solve these three exponential equations. Let's look at the first one. 3 to the x equals 81. You probably have noticed that 81 is a power of 3. 81 could be written as 3 to the 4th. So 3 to the x is equal to 3 to the 4th. We know the exponential function is a one-to-one function. That means for each input, there's exactly one output. And for each output, there's exactly one input. Their relation is 1 to 1. It looks over here that we have the same y value. We have the same output. 3 to the x equals 3 to the 4th. Since they have the same base of 3, and y equal to 3 to the x is a one-to-one function, we can say they must have the same input, which is x must be equal to 4. And that is our answer for problem A. Now let's look at B. Okay, for B, well, first of all, 8 is not a power of 4. Well, it is, but it's a little bit hard to turn 8 into a power of 4. So it seems to me that both 4 and 8, they are a power of 2. So I'm going to turn 4 as a power of 2. 4 is 2 squared, right? So it's 2 squared to the x equals 8 is 2 to the 3rd. Okay, here we're going to use the property. We're going to multiply these two. 2 to the 2x equals 2 to the 3rd. And use the property we used earlier. Since they have the same base and their exponent must be the same. So 2x should be equal to 3. And then solve for x. X equals 3 over 2. And that is the solution to B. Now let's look at C. Okay, similar here, I'm going to turn 8 as a power of 2. So 8 is 2 cubed. So it becomes 2 cubed to the power of x plus 2 equals 4 is a power of 2 also. It's 2 squared. So 2 squared to the x. So now we'll multiply these two, right? So it's 2 to the 3 times the whole x plus 2 equals 2 to the multiply these two, 2x. All right, so we can make the equation that both exponents must be the same since they have the same base. So 3 times x plus 2 must be equal to 2x. We'll solve this equation, distribute 3x plus 6 equals 2x, and I will subtract 3x on both sides. So I have 6 equals negative x, and the answer is x equals negative 6. And here is the answer to C. And this is the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next video.